Hey everyone, so I'm going to do a short video on how to reset one of your Ring cameras. Now I'm resetting mine because I'm selling them because I don't like these cameras anymore. I've moved to the brand Tapo by TP-Link. So the method is pretty simple. On one of these indoor ones, the button is typically at the top, this round central bit. All you need to do when it's plugged in is hold it for around about 10 seconds, so we'll do that now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see I had that little bit of a flash there. Leave it for a few more seconds, obviously not pressing anything. It's obviously doing some kind of power cycle and reset in the background. And then after a while, the blue light will come back on, like that, and it should flash quite rapidly, and then you'll hear the startup chime noise, which will indicate, there we go, it's flashing, and it should make a noise in a second. Nice cheery introductory noise. Let it flash for a few more seconds, and then that's basically it. That's reset. You can remove it from your account either before or after. Now you have to remove it from your Ring app account if you were selling it, otherwise nobody else could set it up. That's apparently the way. And to do that, you go on the camera, click on the settings icon, I believe it's in general, and then remove device, and you either can keep your videos or delete the videos, and then it removes it from the account. And then that's it, so that one's done. So now we'll reset an outdoor Ring camera. The process is pretty much similar, but instead of the button being on the top, it's actually near the battery. So remove the bottom cover, twist off, and you see this orange button here. You have to press that for the same process, about 10 to 20 seconds. This button is a little stiffer. I guess it's because it's designed to be a bit more waterproof and water resistant, or damp proof. But again, hold it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now
11.
in setup mode.
And again, there we go. That's reset. Again, you need to remove it from the account. But that's it, really. The other cameras, you get the outdoor spotlight one. Same process, but the button on those is on the top, or no, maybe underneath, I believe. I can't remember. But basically, look for a button and hold it for 10 seconds. Remove it from the account. Done.